Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to install LampStack on Rocky Linux 9.2. A LampStack is a group of open source software that is typically installed together to enable a server to host dynamic website and web apps. This term is actually an acronym that represents the Linux operating system with the Apache web server. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Now I am going to install the Apache web server by using the following command. Next, we have to start the Apache web server. Next, I am going to install the MariaDB by using the following command. Next, we have to start the MariaDB service. Then I am going to set the password for our MariaDB. For that, use the command mysql_secure_installation. Press enter for no password set. Switch to Unix socket authentication. Press S. Next, we need to set the root password. For that, press S. Enter the new password. Re-enter the new password. Now our password updated successfully. Next, we have to remove the anonymous user. Press S. Disallow root login remotely. Press S. Remove test database and access to it. Press S. Reload privilege table now. Press S. In the next step, we are going to install the PHP by using the following command. Now the PHP is installed. Next, we are going to create a PHP file in Apache document root directory by using the following command. Now I am going to restart the Apache service. Now go to your browser and search your server IP address info.php. By this, installation of LampStack on Rocky Linux 9.2 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.